Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a solo traveler who loves to explore the world and share my experiences with you. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 destinations for a solo trip in 2023. These are places that are safe, fun, and rewarding for solo travelers of all ages, interests, and budgets. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Malta. Malta is a small island nation in the Mediterranean Sea that offers a lot of variety for solo travelers. You can enjoy the sunny weather, the crystal clear water, and the sandy beaches, or you can explore the rich history, culture, and architecture of the island. Malta has a lot of hiking trails that take you through scenic landscapes, ancient temples, and medieval fortresses. You can also visit the capital city of Valletta, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with many museums, churches, and monuments. Malta is also very easy to get around by public transport or by renting a bike or a scooter. And if you want to meet other travelers, you can join one of the many tours or activities that are available on the island. Number 9. New Zealand. New Zealand is a dream destination for solo travelers who love nature and adventure. The country has stunning scenery, friendly locals, and laid-back atmosphere. You can choose from a variety of activities, such as hiking, kayaking, skiing, bungee jumping, or skydiving. You can also explore the diverse culture and cuisine of New Zealand, from the Maori traditions to the modern cities. New Zealand is also very safe and easy to travel around by car, bus, train, or plane. And if you want to make some friends along the way, you can join one of the many backpacker hostels or group tours that cater to solo travelers. Number 8. Ecuador. Ecuador is a small country in South America that has a lot to offer for solo travelers. You can experience the amazing biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest, the Andes Mountains, and the Galapagos Islands. You can also discover the colonial charm and vibrant nightlife of Quito, the capital city. Ecuador is also very affordable and easy to travel around by bus or by taxi. And if you want to learn something new or volunteer for a good cause, you can join one of the many Spanish schools or eco-projects that are available in the country. Number 7. Thailand. Thailand is one of the most popular destinations for solo travelers in Southeast Asia. The country has a mix of culture, history, and relaxation. You can visit the temples, palaces, and markets of Bangkok, the capital city. You can also enjoy the beaches, islands, and nightlife of Phuket, Koh Samui, or Koh Phangan. Or you can head to the north and explore the mountains, jungles, and villages of Chiang Mai or Chiang Rai. Thailand is also very cheap and easy to travel around by train, bus, boat, or plane. And if you want to meet other travelers or locals, you can join one of the many hostels or guest houses that are available in every corner of the country. Number 6. Spain. Spain is a great destination for solo travelers who want to experience the culture and lifestyle of Europe. You can visit the cities of Madrid, Barcelona, Seville, or Granada and enjoy their art, architecture, and cuisine. You can also explore the countryside and see the vineyards, olive groves, and castles of La Rioja, Andalusia, or Castile. Or you can relax on the beaches and islands of Ibiza, Mallorca, or Tenerife. Spain is also very safe and easy to travel around by train, bus, or car. And if you want to learn some Spanish or have some fun, you can join one of the many language schools or festivals that are available in the country. Number 5. Japan. Japan is a fascinating destination for solo travelers who want to experience the contrast between tradition and modernity. You can visit the cities of Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, or Hiroshima and see their skyscrapers, temples, museums, and gardens. You can also enjoy the natural beauty and culture of the countryside and see the cherry blossoms, hot springs, and samurai castles. Or you can have some fun and adventure in the theme parks, ski resorts, or anime shops. Japan is also very safe and easy to travel around by train, bus, or subway. And if you want to learn some Japanese or try some delicious food, you can join one of the many language schools or cooking classes that are available in the country. Number 4. Canada. Canada is a perfect destination for solo travelers who love outdoor activities and wildlife. The country has a vast and diverse landscape, from the mountains and glaciers of the Rockies to the lakes and forests of Ontario. You can choose from a range of activities, such as hiking, camping, skiing, snowboarding, or canoeing. You can also spot some amazing animals, such as bears, moose, whales, or polar bears. Or you can visit the cities of Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, or Quebec and enjoy their culture, nightlife, and festivals. Canada is also very safe and easy to travel around by car, bus, train, or plane. And if you want to meet some friendly locals or other travelers, you can join one of the many hostels or tours that are available in the country. Number 3. Portugal. Portugal is a charming destination for solo travelers who want to enjoy the sun and the sea in Europe. You can visit the cities of Lisbon, Porto, or Faro and see their colorful buildings, cobblestone streets, and historic monuments. You can also relax on the beaches and cliffs of Algarve, Madeira, or Azores. Or you can taste the wine and food of Douro Valley, Alentejo, or Minho. Portugal is also very affordable and easy to travel around by train, bus, or car. And if you want to learn some Portuguese or have some fun, you can join one of the many language schools or surf camps that are available in the country. Number 2. Vietnam. Vietnam is an amazing destination for solo travelers who want to explore the culture and history of Southeast Asia. You can visit the cities of Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City, or Hue and see their colonial buildings, war museums, and pagodas. You can also enjoy the scenery and adventure of Ha Long Bay, Sapa, or Phong Nha. Or you can experience the rural life and cuisine of Mekong Delta, Hoi An, or Dalat. Vietnam is also very cheap and easy to travel around by motorbike, bus, or train. And if you want to meet some friendly locals or other travelers, you can join one of the many homestays or tours that are available in the country. Number 1. Iceland. Iceland is a stunning destination for solo travelers who want to witness the wonders of nature in Europe. You can see the geysers, waterfalls, and volcanoes of the Golden Circle. You can also marvel at the glaciers, icebergs, and northern lights of Vatnajökull National Park. Or you can relax in the hot springs and spas of Blue Lagoon, Mevad, or Reykjavik. Iceland is also very safe and easy to travel around by car, bus, or plane. And if you want to learn some Icelandic or have some fun, you can join one of the many language schools or festivals that are available in the country. So these are my top 10 destinations for a solo trip in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. And let me know in the comments below which destination is your favorite or where you want to go next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.